Our people have a saying that it is not the madman who feels shame, but rather the person who is working with him. A family now, Omuna, called us for a meeting. Yeah, called us, and today was a meeting. And what they were discussing is that one of our Nwaada, one of our sisters from their side, has been, when she was alive, Ndioka, Yota, a church person, a church-going, fervent church-going woman, where they don't even do her bride price. Now she don't die. 15 years later now, her spirits don't disturb people. Her son, 15 years later now, because of her go meeting now, because even for the funeral, Umunna no burial, Umunna akwaloda, Umunna no day aware of a funeral for her. You get, like, formally, like the spirit will own a human being. Her Umunna, her Nwaada, maybe others, her Ikunne, but maybe others went informally. But this woman, since she was somebody that came back from EJD, that she did not even pay Ungo for, that did not even pay bride price for. Yeah, she should have been buried in her father's house, but they went and buried her somewhere else. A lot of madness. It's not the madman that feels shame, but rather the people that are working with him. See now, where Mother Mary, where her God of her pastor or whatever. Now people they put expenses on their head. If you are new in your Igommo journey and you need a guide that you can hold, a simple handbook that can guide you at every step of your start, you should check out my book, Igommo 101. It's out wherever you get books, Amazon, your local bookstore, seller.com in Nigeria. And I'm working on getting publishers. If you have a publishing arrangement, let me know. And also, you want to follow my YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube, because I upload longer videos there that I do not upload on Instagram and TikTok. For example, my recent video, which I titled Boni Nebo Ofeke. So check it out.